AiCE makes it so very easy to share gyms and collections with clients, distributors, friends, grandparents, etc. Last time we uploaded an image gem and placed it inside of a collection. Today, we're going to share that image gem with AiCE CEO Brian Jewell. I'm also going to share the entire collection with him. To get started, I navigate to the Gems tab and tap on the collection. Within the collection, I have a YouTube gem and an image gem. To share the YouTube gem using the public link method, I simply tap the YouTube gem, select Share Public Link, tap on my texting app, and choose a recipient. Once I hit send, the gem is on its way, and I can share any of my AiCE gems this way. You may have noticed that when I was choosing a method for sharing my AiCE gem, my texting app was conveniently readily available. If I want to send the YouTube AiCE gem to an app that doesn't immediately appear as a shortcut, I can always select Copy, navigate to the messaging app of my choice, and then tap and hold on a message box until the option to paste appears. I can then paste and send. Now, what if I want to share a collection filled with gems rather than just a single gem? Well, tapping takes me inside the collection where I can select the three dots to access the share option. And tapping the share option takes me to a collection sharing screen. I tap in the email address of the person I want to share the collection with and decide if I want them to be able to duplicate and then edit the gems within the collection. If I want to make my collection more widely accessible, I can flip the switch at the bottom to toggle on link sharing. Now, I can paste this link into a message or on a public forum, and anyone with the link can access my collection and the gems within. For many AiCE gems, the method I showed you with the public link is a great way to send and share individual AiCE gems. However, if I'm using AiCE to grow my business, then there will be many times when it will be crucial for me to know when and even how often my recipient taps on or clicks my content. So next time, we will learn how to share with tracking.